Can science experiments really help us live on Mars? Imagine a world where we can grow food in Martian soil or create breathable air from carbon dioxide. Scientists are already testing hydroponics to see if we can cultivate crops without traditional soil. They're also experimenting with ways to extract water from the Martian atmosphere, which is crucial for survival. And what about energy? Solar panels could harness the sun's power, but researchers are exploring nuclear energy as a more reliable source. Then there's the challenge of radiation. How do we protect ourselves from harmful cosmic rays? Experiments with advanced materials might hold the key. Every test, every failure, brings us closer to understanding how to thrive on the red planet. So, as we push the boundaries of science, we're not just dreaming about Mars, we're preparing for a future where living there could be a reality. Isn't that fascinating?